Hello students, hope you all are safe at your home. I am Jyoti Paryani from PNMSRI High School. I am your Maths teacher. Welcome to e-learning classes. So let us start with our first chapter, chapter number 1, the fish tail. This chapter will be completed in some parts. In this video, we will go through some topics like introduction, place value, Indian system of numeration, ascending order and descending order. In this chapter, we will learn about large numbers. Students, you must have learnt 3 and 4 digits number in standard 4. In this chapter, we are going to learn to write 5, 6, 7 digits number. First, we will learn about what are numbers. Now, what are numbers? Numbers are set of standard symbols, numerals that represent quantities. Symbol for natural numbers are written using 10 digit, that is from 0 to 9. Each of the symbol is called a digit. So we can say that 0 is also a digit, 1 is also a digit, 2 is also a digit, and so on. Now, if you look at this picture, each place to the left is 10 times greater than the place to its right. We can say that the places towards the left are multiplied by 10. So the place values are read as tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh and 10 lakhs and so on. Next is numeral. Now what is numeral? Numeral is a single digit or a group of digits representing a number is called a numeral. Now next is numeration. Numeration means writing number in words. Now we move to our next topic, which is place value. As you all know that each digit in a number has its own value depending upon its position in place value chart. Let us understand this by solving some example. For example, now what is the place value of 3845? Now you can see that the number 5 is written in one's position in place value chart. This is a place value chart where 5 is written in one's position. So we will multiply 5 with 1. So the place value of 5 is 5. Now next number is 4. 4 we will write in tens position. So 4 is multiplied by 10. So the place value of 4 is 40. Next 8. 8 is written in hundreds position. You can see 8 is written in hundreds position. So 8 will be multiplied by 100. So the place value of 8 is 800. Now the last number 3. 3 is written in thousands position. So the place value of 3 is 3000 as it is multiplied by 1000. So we can see that the place value of 3 is 3000, 8 is 800, 4 is 40 and 5 is 5. So the number we say is 3845. Now we will take another example. 54,321. Here in the place value chart you can see that 1 is written in one's position. So 1 is multiplied by 1. So the place value of 1 is 1. Then 2 is written in tens position. So 2 is multiplied by 10. So the place value of 2 is 20. In the same way, 3 is placed in hundreds position. So 3 is multiplied by 100. So the place value of 3 is 300. Then 4 is placed in thousands position. So 4 is multiplied by 1000. So the place value of 4 is 4000. The last number 5 is placed in 10,000s position. So 5 is multiplied by 10,000. So the place value of 5 is 50,000. So we can say that the place value of 5 is 50,000. Place value of 4 is 4,000. Place value of 3 is 300. Place value of 2 is 20. And the place value of 1 is 1. And the number comes to us is 54,321. Now we will move to our next example. 2,48,526. In the place value chart, you can see that 6 is written in ones position. So 6 multiplied by 1, the place value of 6 is 6. The next number 2 is written in tens position. So 2 is multiplied by 10. So the place value of 2 is 20. 5 is written in hundreds position. So 5 is multiplied by 100. So the place value of 5 is 500. 8 is written in thousands place. So if we multiply 8 to 1000, the place value of 8 is 8000. Next number 4. 4 is written in 10,000s place. So 4 is multiplied by 10,000. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. 2 is written in lakhs position. So 2 is multiplied by lakh. So the place value of 2 is 2 lakh. So from this chart we can say that the place value of 2 is 2 lakh. 4 is 40,000. 8 is 8,000. 5 is 100. 2 is 20 and 6 is 1. So the number becomes 2,48,526. Now we move to our last example. 35,26,458. In the place value chart, you can see 8 is written in ones position. So 8 will be multiplied by 1. So the place value of 8 is 8. 5 is written in tens position. So 5 will be multiplied by 10. So the place value of 5 is 50. Next 4 we will write in hundreds position. So 4 is multiplied by 100. The place value of 4 is 400. Next number is 6. 6 is written in thousands place. So 6 is multiplied by 1000. So the place value of 6 is 6,000. Next number is 2. 2 is written in 10,000s place. So 2 is multiplied by 10,000. So the place value of 2 is 20,000. 5 is written in lakhs position. So 5 is multiplied by lakh. So the place value of 5 is 5 lakh. Last 3 is placed in 10 lakhs position. So 3 is multiplied by 10 lakh. So the place value of 3 is 30 lakh. So now you can see the place value of 3 is 30 lakh. Place value of 5 is 5 lakh. Place value of 2 is 20,000. Place value of 6 is 6,000. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 5 is 50. And the place value of 8 is 8. So the number becomes 35,26,458. So students, this is the end of today's video. We will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.